Hello everyone, my name is Pradnya Patil.
My name is Riddhi Kondekar.
Hello, myself Pratik Nanarao Gaikwad.
Topic name is Inheritance in Java. We are from Division B. Let's see the introduction of inheritance. Definition: Inheritance is a fundamental concept in object oriented programming where a new class acquires the properties and behaviors of an existing class. Purpose: promotes code reuse, establishes a relationship between classes, and helps in extending functionalities. Analogy: like children inheriting traits from their parent. So now let's discuss concept of the inheritance. So, title: key concept in inheritance. Base class, which means parent class, the class that is inherited from. Derived class, which also means child class, the class that inherits from the base class. Method overriding: a derived class can provide its own implementation of a method defined in a base class. Access to parents members: the derived class can access public and protected members of the base class. Types of inheritance are single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance.
What is single inheritance? Inheritance is a subclass which is derived from one only superclass. It inherits the properties and behavior of a single parent class. Sometimes it also known as simple inheritance. For example, sub superclass is employee and executive is subclass. So here executive inherits employee. In in a in this, employee is a parent class and executive is a child class. The executive class inherits all the properties of employee class. Next, inheritance, multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, a class is derived from a class which is also derived from another class is also called as multi-level inheritance. In simple words, we can say that a class that has more than one parent class is called as multi-level inheritance. Hence, there are single base class and single derived class but multiple intermediate base classes. For example, sports, marks, and students. The class marks inherits the members or methods of the class students. The class sports inherits the members of the class marks. Therefore, the student class is the parent class of the class marks, and class marks is the parent of the class sports. Hence, the class sports implicitly inherits the properties of student along with the class marks.
Let's start by discussing multiple inheritance. In this type of inheritance, a class can inherit features from more than one superclass, allowing it to the combine functionality from different parent classes. However, it is important to note that Java does not support multiple inheritance classes directly due to the potential complexity. Here you can see that class C is derived from both interface A and B, representing a form of multiple inheritance. Moving on, we have a hierarchical inheritance. In this scenario, a single base class or superclass is extended by multiple derived classes, each inheriting property and behavior from the base. The structure allow common features to be centralized in the superclass. Class B, Class C, and Class D. Each subclass inherits the base class's characteristic, promoting consistency across multiple derived classes. Lastly, let's look on hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance combines two or more types of inheritance structures, such as multiple and hierarchical inheritance. Java does not support Java does not support hybrid inheritance with classes directly to avoid complexity, but it can be implemented through the interface in the diagram. We see a family hierarchy where the grandfather class represents single inheritance and the father class inherits from it. Future, the father class is inherited by both son and daughter classes, forming a hierarchical inheritance together. This structure represents hybrid inheritance, showcasing how Java allow flexibility while the managing complexity.
Thank you.